Modified Simpson's rule for calculation of left ventricular ejection fraction. Ejection fraction is equal to stroke volume divided by end diastolic volume. Stroke volume is the difference between end diastolic volume and end systolic volume. In summary, ejection fraction is the fraction of end diastolic volume of the left ventricle which is ejected out in systole. Modified Simpson's rule for left ventricular ejection fraction is used in echocardiography, cardiac magnetic resonance imaging, left ventricular angiography, and computed tomography. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. Basic assumption in Simpson's rule is that the shape of the left ventricular cavity is a composite of a cylinder from base to the level of the mitral valve, a truncated cone from the mitral valve level to the level of the papillary muscles, and a cone from there to the apex. Total volume is the sum of the three components. In the figure, L, length of the left ventricle from base to apex, AM, cross-sectional area of the cylindrical portion, AP, cross-sectional area of the base of the conical portion, volume of the cylindrical portion, base area of the cylindrical portion multiplied by 1/3 of the left ventricular length. Volume of the truncated cone, average of base area and top area of truncated cone multiplied by 1/3 of left ventricular length. Volume of the cone, 1/3 of the base area of the cone multiplied by 1/3 of total left ventricular length. In modified Simpson's rule, these three sections are assumed to be of equal length or height if kept vertically. In echocardiography, apical 4-chamber view and 2-chamber view are obtained in both systole and diastole. The endocardial borders are traced out. The computer algorithm divides the left ventricular cavity into discs, usually 20 in number. Sum of volumes of these discs will give the left ventricular volume. Difference between the diastolic and systolic volumes divided by the diastolic volume will give the left ventricular ejection fraction. This is the method recommended by American Society of Echocardiography. In other modalities of imaging also the same principle is applied. In CMR and CT, the thickness of the slice is taken as the interval between the slices. In invasive left ventriculography, biplane orthogonal cine angiography is required to apply the modified Simpson's rule. Here are the important journal references for this topic. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.